Look at that rich steaming pot of goodness. Welcome to my kitchen, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.
I'm making pepper soup, so I'll be making use of meat, simply crayfish, onion powder, pepper mix, chopped onions, and of course pepper soup spice. So now let's get right into the cooking. So the first thing I did was to put my meat in the pot, and I seasoned it properly by adding onions, onion powder, and pepper mix. I let this cook on its own with no water so the meat can release its natural juices. After that, I added some water to help the meat cook through properly. And now the meat is getting a bit tender, I added the sweet potato, followed by crayfish, pepper soup spice. So I started to let everything cook together. I added some water and I also adjusted my seasoning. And I let this to simmer very well. And I finished this dish with scent leaf for that fresh aroma. And it's ready. It was so delicious. It was spicy and so comforting.